What's up, peeps? Okay, this this is gonna be a product review. What is this? Vienna Skillet 1-pan dinner kit, Philly steak and cheese style. Okay, So this is what we're going to do. Hold on, something's crazy going on. So I'm going to open this up and see what's in here, because I gotta go cook the meat first, because we need at least a pound of beef. Okay, let's see what's in this Nicky Nicky. Got some noodles with some something in it. This says cheesesteak, so I don't know exactly what oh, I guess this is cheese sauce, according to the book. Maybe I was wrong. This is white cheese sauce. So what in the dickens is this? I don't know what this is. It feels like some type of powder. This is mostly liquid. I can feel this. This probably is cheese. And this has noodles with some kind of seasoning or something of herbs or something or another. So I'm going to go ahead and put the, according to the instructions, I'm going to go ahead and put a pound of ground beef and cook it, drain it, and then add 2 cups of water to it. And so I'll be back once I get that up and running. Okay, peeps. This is roughly about a pound of beef. Alright, so I'm going to let this cook and we shall return. Okay, peeps, this is about ready, so I'm going to go ahead and drain it off, and then we're going to add the goodies. Alright, so we're going to add 2 cups of water. Once I find my cup. Now, this is where we add these goopy gop, which is this stuff. Well, it smells more like noodles and seasoning and whatever else is in the bag. Okay. And we're going to add this package, which is the mystery stuff. The box doesn't really clearly state that this is what it is, but it is what it is. It smells a lot like cheese. It really does. Now we're just going to cook it and let it simmer. With all these self-made packages, there's always a little room for adjustment. They tend to tell you what it's going to need, but things vary from electric to gas and things of that nature. So we're going to let this cook a little bit, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, peeps. All right, so we got it all good. Now to put the final toppings on this. Per the instructions, we are supposed to mix this white cheese sauce I want to make sure I get all of this out. Now you know what this smells like? I actually have to say this smells like steak and cheese a little bit. I'm gonna let this simmer for a little bit, and then we're gonna do a quick taste test. Peeps! Okay, we finally got this down and done. So let me show you what it looks like. Snacky cake. Let me take a quick sniff test. I actually have to say, like I said when I was on the stove, that this does smell a lot like steak and cheese. Kind of. If I walking past a oven that was cooking or somebody was cooking, I thought it may have been steak and cheese. Maybe. Possibly. So, let's see what it tastes like. Okay, the texture's not bad. To be honest, I'm surprised how much it does kind of taste like steak and cheese. This is almost like steak and cheese. Oh, I wouldn't say Philly steak and cheese because Philly steak and cheese is not that great. Well, no disrespect to the Philly fans. But it does taste like a steak and cheese. Minus the bun. Wow. It's good. I mean, almost to the point of exceptionally good. This tastes so much like steak and cheese. I'm almost baffled at how well this came out. And this was an in-box product, so they had a couple of more I'm going to have to go pick up. That I had no idea this was actually going to be as good as it was. But this is actually, for a box product that was relatively affordable, I have to give it about a solid 9. Even a 9.5 would be appropriate. This honestly tastes like a steak and cheese in a bowl. All I would need was bread. Wow. This is really, really, really delicious. There's no other word for it. Wow. And the instructions are fairly straightforward. And it turned out pretty well. So, taste, texture-wise, 9.5. But how healthy is it? Is my question. And let me go find the box. Oh, what did I do with it? Come here, Boxy. Oh, here you go. I don't have the specs for the hamburger, which we know that's kind of hefty, but according to this box, and this is what's in the box alone. Let's see here. This is 5 servings per box, this would be serving size is 2.5 ounces, which is 1/5 of a pack. For a serving size, it's 220 calories. This just is a package, but if you prepare it, it's 370. So we're going to go with the prepared ratings. Total fat, 19%. Saturated fats, 24% of your daily intake, which is 5 grams. The total fats is 15 grams, which is 19% of your total daily intake. Cholesterol, this is prepared, 65 milligrams, which is 22% of your daily intake. Sodium is 830 milligrams, which is 36% of your daily intake. I don't know what's wrong with my tongue today. 36% of your daily intake. Total carbs is 11%, which is 30 grams. Dietary fibers, 1 gram, which is 5%. 4 grams of sugar. Additional sugar, 0. Protein, 26 grams. No D, 130 milligrams of calcium, which is 10%. Iron, 3.7 milligrams, which is 20%. And potassium is 490 milligrams, which is 10%. What if I had to just use health-wise on it? Not healthy. This is another product but then again, everything that tastes good is never healthy. So this is one of these products that I wouldn't recommend if you're on a limited calorie diet or you have any other health issues, diabetes, things of that nature, because it's not extremely healthy. This is something I would eat on a regular if I was like 18 or 22 or 25. At my age, this is not something I would want to eat on a regular because my metabolism isn't running at 8,000 calories a day anymore. So, but it is it's scrumptious. It's delicious. It does taste like steak and cheese, minus the bun. Oh, that is so nice. Wow. They did a good job on it. It is delicious. So, not healthy, but delicious. And it's out of a box. So, this is pretty much straightforward. If you get this wrong, stay out of the kitchen. Wow. Until next time, family, eat long. Eat healthy, live long. Until next time, take care of yourself.